Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to set up a Modbus TCP scanner I/O connection on a Schneider M241 PLC. In Machine Expert, we want to add a new Ethernet device. We then want to add a generic Modbus TCP slave that we will communicate to. Here, we can set the slave device IP address. Remember that the master and slave device have to be in the same subnet range to communicate. We can then go to the channel configuration and add a new channel. Here, we want to specify which slave ID we want to communicate with. Then we choose our function code. I will go with read or write holding registers. And lastly, we have to specify which will be our starting Modbus address and the length of how many registers we want to read or write. We can now see our I/O mapping from the new channel we just made. In TIA Portal, I already set up a Modbus TCP slave program to an S7-1200 PLC. If you want to know how to program that, you can check out my tutorial for that on my channel. I will leave a link in the description. Now, when we test this out, we will see that once I write a value from my first 5 tags in TIA Portal, my Schneider PLC will read the value and store it to my input buffer. And when I write a value on my output buffer, the Siemens PLC will receive its value on its last 5 tags in TIA Portal. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.